In this video, we are going to look at some Wi-Fi settings in the HG323RGW ONT. First of all, let's log into the ONU. OK, after logging into the ONU, to change and view all the Wi-Fi settings, first click on Network. Under Network, there is a sub-option called WLAN. Click on the WLAN option. In this WLAN section, we can configure all the basic, advanced, and security settings of Wi-Fi. Now we are currently in the WLAN basic settings on the left side. Let's quickly understand what each option means. First, we see Disable WLAN interface. Disabling the WLAN interface means it will turn off the Wi-Fi radio completely. That means if this option is checked, then this Wi-Fi, for example, the Wi-Fi name shown here FTTH A279. Once this is checked, this Wi-Fi name will not be visible or connectable on any device. Most of the time, when we configure a new ONU or set up internet for customers, this option might be disabled. If it is disabled, the Wi-Fi name will not appear on any device. So if after configuring internet, the Wi-Fi name is not showing on mobile or laptop, first log in, go to Network WLAN settings and check whether this option is enabled. If it is enabled, the Wi-Fi name will not be visible on any device. So this should not be checked. Next option is Block WLAN access to web. If we enable this option, it means even if we share our Wi-Fi password with friends or guests and they connect to the Wi-Fi, they will not be able to access the ONU login page using the IP address. They can use the internet, but they cannot log into the ONU through Wi-Fi. This option is used to block that access. Next is Band. In this section, we can select Wi-Fi frequencies. Next is Band. In this section, we can select Wi-Fi frequencies. Since this is HG323RGW ONT, it is a single band ONT, which means it only supports 2.4 GHz frequency. All the available frequency options are shown here. Next is Mode. Mode is set to AP, which means access point. It allows the device to provide Wi-Fi to clients. Next is SSID. SSID is the default Wi-Fi name of the ONU. If we want to change the Wi-Fi name, we can do it here. For example, we can set a new name like Netlink_Wi-Fi. After entering the name, click Save and Apply or apply changes to update the SSID. Next option is Disable Broadcast. If this option is enabled, it will hide the Wi-Fi name from all devices. This is used to make the Wi-Fi invisible to others. Next is Block Relay. This option stops communication between connected Wi-Fi devices. Next is WMM, which stands for Wi-Fi Multimedia. It improves performance for multimedia traffic like video and voice by giving priority. Next is SGI, Short Guard Interval. It reduces delay between signals and slightly increases speed. EXT is channel width. By default, it is set to 20 MHz, 40 MHz. We can manually set it to either 20 MHz or 40 MHz. If we set it to 20 MHz, we get more coverage but less speed. If we set it to 40 MHz, we get higher speed but less coverage. By default, it is set to Auto 2040 Hz. If there is a speed issue, we can try changing this. If we need speed only in a specific room, we can set 40 MHz. If we need wider coverage, we can set 20 MHz. Next is channel number. By default, it is set to Auto. There are 13 channels available. We can manually select a less crowded channel. Before selecting, we should use a Wi-Fi analyzer tool on mobile or computer to check nearby Wi-Fi networks and their channels. Based on that, select a less crowded channel. Changing channel can help solve speed issues. Next is current channel. It shows which channel is currently in use. For example, if we change it to channel 11 and apply changes, it will show 11 as the current channel. Next is radio power. It adjusts Wi-Fi signal strength. Higher value means more range. Usually, this is set by default and does not need to be changed. Next is client number. By default, it is disabled. If we enable it, we can set a limit on how many devices can connect to the Wi-Fi. Since this is a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, more users can cause speed and traffic issues. So we can set a limit based on the number of users in the house, for example 5 users. Only those many devices can connect. Next is associated clients. By clicking Show Active WLAN clients, we can see which devices are connected and their MAC addresses. This is useful if we want to whitelist or blacklist a device by copying its MAC address. Next option is WLAN Advanced. In WLAN Advanced, we can create additional Wi-Fi networks. By default, only one Wi-Fi, FTTH A279, is available. We can create up to 3 additional Wi-Fi networks. For example, enable AP1, set a new Wi-Fi name, enable different SSID isolation, and click Apply Changes. After creating a new Wi-Fi, go to WLAN Security. In this section, we configure encryption and password. Select the new SSID, then choose Encryption Mode. None means open Wi-Fi with no password. Available encryption types are WEP, WPA, WPA2, and WPA2 Mixed. WPA2 Mixed is the most secure commonly used option. We can select protocol as SKIP or AES. Then set the Wi-Fi password in pre-shared key. Click Show to view the password and apply changes.